Hello, friends. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of the hottest topics, how to earn money from Instagram in 2025. If you're a student, a working professional, or just someone who loves social media, this video is for you. So let's dive in step by step. The first step is building a strong Instagram profile. Choose a clear username, add a professional-looking profile picture, and write a catchy bio. Your bio should instantly tell people who you are and what value you provide. For example, if you are into fitness, write something like, helping you stay fit, daily workout tips, DM for coaching. Remember, your profile is your online shop window. Instagram is all about content. The more valuable your content, the more followers and engagement you will get. In 2025, Reels are the most powerful tool. They reach a wider audience than normal posts. Focus on making short, engaging, and helpful videos in your niche, whether it's cooking, travel, money tips, education, or entertainment. Consistency is key, so post at least 3 to 4 times a week. Once your content is ready, the next step is to grow your audience. Use trending hashtags, collaborate with other creators, and engage with your followers. Reply to comments, answer DMs, and ask questions in your captions or stories. The more you interact, the more loyal your community becomes. Remember, followers are not just numbers, they are your future customers. Now let's come to the main part. How do you actually earn money? There are several ways in 2025. Number 1. Brand collaborations. Once you have 5,000 plus followers, brands may start reaching out to you for sponsored posts. For example, a fashion brand may pay you to wear their clothes in a reel. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Share product links in your bio or stories and earn a commission every time someone buys using your link. Number 3. Selling your own products or services. You can sell digital products like ebooks, courses, or physical products through Instagram Shop. Number 4. Paid subscriptions. Instagram now allows creators to set up exclusive content for subscribers who pay monthly. And number 5, ad revenue on Reels. Instagram has started sharing ad revenue with creators, so the more views you get, the more you earn. To earn more, stay updated with trends. Use trending audio, keep your videos short and clear, and maintain a consistent style. Always provide value, solve a problem, entertain, or inspire. Also, don't forget to track your analytics to see what type of content is performing best. So, friends, this is how you can start earning from Instagram in 2025. Build a strong profile, create valuable content, grow your audience, and then monetize through collaborations, affiliate marketing, products, or ad revenue. Remember, success doesn't come overnight, but with consistency and creativity, Instagram can become a great source of income. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more online earning tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.